It's here. It's here. It finally arrived. I can't believe it finally came after all this time I've been waiting. I am so excited. I had to share this with you. But you know what? It doesn't just have to be exciting for me. It can for you too. And I'll tell you all about that in just a second. You know what makes this even more special is today is Valentine's Day. Hence the red. And I don't have a Valentine's. I know, boohoo me, right? But while you guys are out there enjoying your romantic dinners and flowers, which probably die, and eating those sugar-filled chocolates, well, I'm going to get to enjoy what's in this box. As you guys know, I've been in the marketing world for a long time. A really, really long time. And it doesn't happen too often where I see something where I'm like, damn, that's good. I wish I had thought of it. But it kind of happened this time. Now, being an entrepreneur can be a real struggle. And, honestly, for me, it has been quite a big struggle. And, I got to the point where I just was so frustrated, and a lot of you might be there as well. Just so angry and upset and just thinking to yourself, like, why am I not further ahead at this point? And why don't more people know me or know my services? Or why am I working these crazy hours all the time and sacrificing so much and I don't have a lot to show for it? And it's a horrible place to be when you start feeling that way, and it's also a very difficult spot to get out of unless you've got the right direction. And that was the thing. I didn't have the right direction. I didn't have any role models I could follow or anybody that was coaching me or anybody I felt that could help. So I did what I usually do when I'm really upset, and I go to Google. And when I go to Google, what I do is I look purposely for the people who are doing it right. And I look purposely for the people I can get inspired by. So it was one of these times just, a few short weeks ago that I happened to come across the name Russell Brunson. And it was the first time I heard, well, I might have heard about him before, but it was the first time I really paid attention. And I started watching his videos and I was like, okay, drop everything. I'm listening to every single word out of this guy's mouth because this guy is a brilliant marketer. Brilliant. So I highly recommend listening to him. And lucky for me, I started listening to Russell right before he started something called the One Funnel Away Challenge. And I was like, oh, I like the sounds of that. Like, it's a challenge. I can be challenged and give me something to motivate me. Not that I need motivation, because you guys know I'm a little too over the top, hyper motivated all the time. But I was like, no, just give me something to work towards. Give me something to prove my skills to myself and everybody else. Just give me something that's mine. So I was like super excited to do that. So the One Funnel Away Challenge, so what they did is well, first of all, they give you like almost daily coaching from these top marketers. So the guy who does coaching, his name's Larsen, and well, he's kind of scary at first. He can be loud. And he scared my cat a few times. So just turn it off for the first minute or so if you listen to him, and then it's all safe from there. I'm just saying if you have animals. So, but oh my God, I love him because he is like, the stuff coming out of his mouth, like every day I would be glued to my screen thinking, holy crap, like it's the mindset. You just think of something but looking at it from a different angle, or learning something that you don't know. And obviously this guy has figured things out that I don't know, so I paid attention. I was on there every single day listening to him without fail. And so you get him, and then there's this coach, Julie, who's like, oh my gosh, if you guys are methodical and like to plan things out, and she's just like this power brain behind all of that. And she showed me some really cool tricks and tips and stuff. And of course, then Russell's on there every day giving you your challenge. And that makes it like so cool and so exciting. And they have the Mission Impossible theme going on, and I'm just like, wow. I jump on my computer every morning just to hear it and think, I'm just like this. Oh, my computer just turned off. I hope it's still recording. So where was I? So I would just jump on my computer every morning and think, wow, like, what's my mission today gonna be? I'm just like so pumped to do it. But I'm not gonna lie, I thought it would be easy because really I'm a marketer and most people aren't, and I just kind of went in a little bit cockish and thought, I got this. But I really didn't. I really didn't get it. And it's not because it's not at an easy to understand level and it's not step by step. It's because whenever you learn a new concept or doing things the way you haven't done before, sometimes you just have to, soak it in and try it for yourself and see what happens, because this is how we learn, right? So, so I started my very first funnel, and I'm going to be sharing that with all of you very, very soon. Hope you love it. And as I learn from it, it's just going to keep getting better and better. And I really just want to shut up now because I'm just like talking to you and I'm looking at my box. So let's just open this baby up together, okay? Okay, I probably should have a better tool than having this big ass, well, it's actually a small ass knife, but don't worry. As you guys know, the guys who know me, I cut like a freak. So I do not have sharp knives in my house, but sharp enough to open this, and that's all that matters right now. Okay, let's do this. I hope you can see, because my screen shut off again. Okay. Oh, wow. My cat is so gonna love these. And look, it's red for Valentine's Day. I think they planned that. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a bit of a mess, but that's okay. Let's see what we got. The first one you got here. Oh, look. Okay, this here would be the affiliate program. So, as you can tell under this video, I'm gonna have a sign-up sheet for those of you who want to do the challenge, and you should want to do the challenge because it is phenomenal. So this just kind of tells you it's the affiliate program. So look, so the way that works is if you guys sign up as an affiliate, I get $100. And yeah, I know the smart ones out there are saying, well, I paid $100 for the program. I know, right? They don't make any money off this. This is crazy. Anyway, it's all part of the marketing. They're brilliant. But that doesn't matter. I really care about you guys, and I want you guys to do well. And I want you guys who are struggling, like I want you guys to stop that. So what I'm going to do is, for those who I love, which are all you guys, if you get this and you pay $100 and you really want, we'll work out a deal and we'll go out for dinner and we'll celebrate on me. Okay? With the $100 I made off it. Sound like a plan? Yeah. And then we will go to dinner and talk funnels. It'll be a lot of fun. Oh, this is like, isn't this pretty? I just love this packaging. Like, this honestly is better than any Valentine's Day I could think of that I would want to get. All right, so here we got something real special. Kitty, look. Sparkles. Actually, it doesn't really sparkle, but it's messy. Go get it, look. Go get it. Oh, now it's all over the floor. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, feels like a book. I think I know what book this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, and those of you who know me really well know that there's nothing better in the world, that I love more in the world, I should say, than books. This is, oh wow, this is the 30, okay. These are, this is the challenge they did. This is like the coolest thing. What they did is I had these amazing marketers talk about what they would do if they lost everything in 30 days. Like, and these are like guys who are making who are just like crushing it. Okay, so they had to start over. What would they do? And it was so funny because I've always wondered that. I mean, if you took a super rich person and threw him on the street, how fast would it be before he made all his money back? So really, really, yes, Kat loves tissue paper. So really, really cool. And you know what? I've actually been watching these videos. They actually put these videos up so you can actually watch these people. I guess it's the same people, or maybe these new people. So you can actually watch the marketers talk and give lessons on what they would do that lost everything. So I listened to a few of those. I actually reached out to one of the marketers on there because she was just so freaking brilliant. And she got back to me, which I thought was like, wow, that's like so cool. So, all right, so moving on here. What else have we got? Oh, this I don't know. What is this? It's a coaching book. Okay, I love coaching. Let's just have a look. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh, okay. So this just like talks more about, I guess, their different programs, and the books they offer. Aren't they beautiful? Yeah. Oh, okay. Here, look. Okay, these here are the coaches. These are the brilliant, brilliant coaches. Love these guys. Love all of them. They are just fantastic. Awesome. Okay, so that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna keep this stuff forever. Oh, and a workbook. Okay. Ooh, what's in my workbook? Oh, this is brilliant. Okay, I see. So what they did is they took all of the missions they had us do, and they kind of like outline it, and they give us, we could keep it all. We could keep it. That way we could keep all our stuff in one book. This is beautiful. I can't believe they gave this to us. Like, this is really nice. Because, like, right now I have everything in a file folder on my computer. And, like this will just be awesome. Because this is something, this will become my Bible. This will be something I'm going to go back to time and time again. Like, this is, like, just so awesome. And, one more thing. I thought I was done. And this is, no, it gets better. Oh, wait, I know what this is. Sorry about the cat in the way. Like, it's just all this, like, crumply stuff. So, like, on top of getting all these books, you apparently get toys for your cat as well. And, this here, this is awesome. So what they did here is they recorded all of the lessons from the first challenge they had. I'm in challenge this is the second time they run it, which I was shocked to find out because these guys, it's just so amazing. I figured they probably did it hundreds of times. So the first Funnel Away challenge they did, they recorded all of the lessons and they put it on this handy dandy MP3 player. So I can listen to this in my car when I'm driving out in the snow and, just get reminded of what they said. Because, like I said, it's one of those things that you can't just hear one time and get it. It's, you probably can get some of it, but you probably just want to hear it over and over again and let more of it sink in and really absorb it. So, so this has been awesome. My cat is going to love playing with this tissue paper as she already has already. So like I said, you guys, if you guys want to get your message out to the world, if you've got something to offer and you're not quite sure how to package it, if you want to run it by me, like, go ahead. But this challenge, honestly, this could be your ticket into doing what your heart is telling you to do. And I'm not just saying that. This stuff is powerful, and the stuff they teach you is really, really powerful. And like I said, I'm going to share my funnel with all of you so you can see what I did. So go online, look it up, get inspired, because then you'll realize it's not like these extraordinary people. These are like everyday people who have learned something and they just want to share it, or they've built something, or they have something and they just want to share it. But they want to share it profitably, of course. But they also want to be able to take that profit, pump it back in, and reach more people. Like, this is the whole point about it. So anyway, I it's probably tell I'm like super excited about this. I can't tell you enough how amazing it's been for me, and for hundreds of other people. And that reminds me, they've already got thousands of people lined up for the next challenge. I don't know what the cap is, so go check it out. The link below, I put the link below. It'll give you some more information about it. Go check online. You probably hear a lot of different stories and see a lot of different videos. And just do it. Just, are you guys up for it? Do it. That's it. That's all I got for you. Oh yeah. Sorry, cat. So you guys all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I love you all. Sending you lots and lots of virtual love to everybody out there. And hopefully we'll touch base soon.